Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, 30th April 2020, Year 2 Maths, Fraction, Recognize a Quarter. Pause the video and make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Please download the sheet from Class Charts, Fractions, Recognize a Quarter. Write the short date at the top of the page, 30th.4.20. Write the LI, Recognize a Quarter. Once you've finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Right, looking at the knowledge organizer here, for the past couple of days we had been looking at half and we've been recognizing a half and finding a half. Right, today we're going to be looking at quarter. What is a quarter? It's telling us over here a whole split into 4 equal parts. It's showing us representation of what quarter looks like in form of like a quarter shaded in here. We've got 12 pairs here. It's showing us what quarter of 12 looks like in terms of pictures, and also how we can write it down in form of a number sum. So a quarter of 12 equals 3. Right, the first thing we need to do is go through the key vocabulary. So please repeat after me. Whole, part, equal, quarter, vertical, horizontal, diagonal. What is a quarter? When something is split into 4 equal pieces, we call each piece a quarter. So right, we've got one whole apple here. Let's see what the 4 equal pieces look like. This is what it looks like. How do we write the number quarter? It's 1/4. This is the number of pieces that it's split into. This is how many of those pieces are there. Pause the video and draw the 3 shapes: rectangle, circle, and square. Now draw the lines and split the shapes into 4 equal parts. There is more than one way you can split these shapes into 4 equal parts. Have a go at it, and then I will be showing you how to split them into 4 equal parts in different ways. So we got one whole, which is a circle. And it's been split into 4 equal parts. So first I'm going to split into half vertically, and then half again, but this time around I'm drawing it horizontally. So split into 4 equal parts. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I've got a circle here again, but this time around I've drawn diagonal lines. And let's see if I've got 4 equal parts. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so I've got one whole of a square. I'm going to split this one whole into 4 equal parts. So first I drew the vertical line and then the horizontal line. So let's see if I've got 4 pieces there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got 4 equal parts. Or I could draw the diagonal lines. Right, let's see for the rectangle. Now this can be split into 4 equal parts, but this time round I'm drawing vertical lines. So I've drawn 3 vertical lines. Let's see if it's been split into 4 equal parts. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One whole is split into 4 equal parts. This time round, I'm drawing it horizontally. I'm going to check if we've got 4 equal parts. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we've got 4 equal parts. And finally, I draw it diagonally. Have we got 4 equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I've got 4 equal parts there. Right, we are going to look at the video which is part of the White Rose scheme that the school follow. So please make sure you have downloaded the worksheet from Class Charts, as the video is going to ask you to complete some questions. This is what the worksheet looks like when you download it from the Class Charts. So you've got 2 parts to it. and there is 7 questions there.
Recognizing a quarter. We can recognize a quarter when a shape or quantity has been split into 4 equal parts. Which of these cheesecakes has been split into 4 equal parts? The first one, the second one, or the third one? The first one has been split into 2 equal parts, not 4 equal parts. But the second one has been split into 4 equal parts. And the third one has been split into 4 equal parts. Pause here and have a go at question 1. Dora is shading 1/4 of these shapes. Which has she shaded correctly? This first one? No. She shaded 2 out of 4 equal parts. And we know that a quarter is 1 out of 4 equal parts. What about this next one? Ah, yes. 1 out of 4 equal parts. This one? Well done, Dora. 1 out of 4 equal parts has been shaded. Oh, Dora, you shaded 1 of the parts, but it's 1 out of 3 equal parts. Whereas when we're looking at quarters, we need 1 out of 4 equal parts. Pause here. Have a go at question 2. Let's have a look at equal parts. Has this shape been split into 4 equal parts? No. This blue shaded part is much smaller than the white part next to it, so it's not equal parts. What about this shape? Oh yes. We can test this by taking this blue shaded part and putting it on top of the other parts. It's the same size as that part. And it's the same size as that part. And it's the same size as that part. Fantastic. 4 equal parts. Pause here and have a go at the rest of the questions.
So what have we learned in the past few days? So we've got 1 whole rectangle here, split into 2 equal parts gives us half, split into 4 equal parts gives us quarter. 1/4 each. Right, can you spot the shapes with quarter of the shape coloured? How many are there? Let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please send a photo of the work that you have done at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Thank you.